Ginebra played well to open up this game. Mas willing talaga si Japet Aguilar to score at kahit sino naman sa kanila ready to take the shot. Pero something's off with TNT's fire. Parang hinahayaan lang nila na makakuha ng offensive boards yung Ginebra. And so far, maganda rin yung pinapakita ni Jeremiah Gray para sa Ginebra. As a team, mas fluid yung offense nila, mas mabilis yung ball movement kaysa sundin lagi yung sets. Ayun yung makikita natin yung or mararamdaman natin yung real impact ni Scottie Thompson. Imbis na strictly mag-set ng plays, siya mismo yung nag-o-orchestrate para malibre dito si Jeremiah Gray sa 3-point distance. Bihirang mangyari to for Ginebra. Fast-paced action, early offense. Siguro napansin din ng coaching staff yung problem last game kontra Magnolia, kung saan nagsisettle sila masyado sa structured sets at paubos na yung shot clock bago makatira. So pag naglalaro yung Ginebra, bihira yan maka 25 points sa isang quarter, pero first quarter pa lang 33 points, diba? So dito sa TNT iba merong early attacks, drive and kick, not the usual Ginebra style, pero it worked out kasi meron kang Scottie Thompson who thrives on those kinds of actions. Dagdag pa si RJ Abarientos na naging extra passer. Pagpasok niya, nagdala agad ng positive impact. Kita mo nga dito, drive and kick niya to the corner for Stephen Holt. Perfect execution. Itong mga attempts ni RJ Abarientos, usually hindi to pwede kay Team Cone, pero I'm happy for them na meron silang ganitong player na hindi takot mag-create. Kasi who else, diba? After mawala ni C-Stand and Pringle, tapos kapag Philippine Cup walang Brownlee, wala silang ganitong klaseng player Si Holt, consistent pa rin naman sa pagiging corner guy na ayun sana dapat. So pupunta lang sa kanya kapag emergency. So kaya gusto ko yung ginagawa ni RJ sa system ng Ginebra ngayon. So a very solid first half para sa Barangay Ginebra. To start the second half, ibang attitude ni Japet Aguilar and-embrace niya yung pagiging threat sa poste at sa one-on-one plays, even fading away over Kelly Williams. We also need to commend Troy Rosario in this game. Out-rebounded niya yung TNT players with 13 rebounds and 8 of those coming from offensive end. Ang laking advantage talaga para sa buong Ginebra kung may ganito kang performance or may ganito kang player. Again, here, meron na namang early attack ang Ginebra. Pagka-recognize ni Holt na merong trail guys at advantage sila, he went for the fast break, 3-on-2 at binigay kay Scottie Thompson. Nakakapanibago, diba? Kahit 9 points lang sila dyan, malaking impact. Kasi yung TNT na dapat, ito yung game nila, ay 2 points lang from the fast breaks. Here, na-reject ni Scottie yung set with Aguilar. Siya mismo yung nag-o-orchestrate Wala na sa playbook pero dito siya mas nagta-thrive. Attacks the basket, attracts 2 defenders, then dime to Troy Rosario for an easy 2 points. Ginebra really dominates this game. More fast executions, not relying too much sa paubos na ng mga shot clock and RJ Abarientos creation, and mas comfortable si Scottie kapag siya yung nasusunod. He had 9 assists. Well played by Ginebra. Natapos ang laro 92-77.